Hello and welcome to Mathematical Coaching Center. In today's class, we'll do quadratic equation in one variable in word problem. So today we'll solve the word problem from quadratic equation. So as you know that, there are steps for solving word problem. So step number one, you have to read the statement very carefully, and what you have to determine the quantity must be found. Step number two, now you will take this quantity as x or y or z. And number three, what you'll do is that now taking this equation x, maximum we take x only. So by taking this expression x, will form an equation, quadratic equation, and we'll solve this resulting equation. So now, without further delay, let's start today's class. So in this question, what we can see is that we have to find the two consecutive natural number such that the sum of their square is 61. So what they are given is that number one, you can see a natural number. So everyone, you know that natural numbers are the counting number. Now what does this consecutive means? Consecutive means, suppose I have 2. So what will be the consecutive of 2? 3. Okay. So what comes after that? That is called as consecutive, the natural number. So obviously we'll do solution. What you'll take? Let the two consecutive natural numbers be, what I'll take? X, and what will be? X plus 1. As you know, if it is 2, then it will be 3. That means 2 plus 1. 5 consecutive is 6, so 5 plus 1 is 6. So similarly, if it is x, that means another it will be x plus 1. Okay. Now what they are given is that sum means, you know that it's plus, and their squares means, so according to question, what they are given is that sum of their square means sum of their square x square plus x plus 1, that means this whole square, it will be whole square, equals to how much they are given? Sum is plus, so how much they are given? 61. So we have to form the equation, quadratic equation. So it will be x square. So what is the formula for this? A plus b whole square. The formula is a square plus 2, a is my x, b is my 1, plus b square equals to 61. So as you know, formula is a plus b whole square. What is the formula? A square plus 2ab plus b square. So you can see here a square plus 2ab, since a is my x and b is my 1, 2ab plus b square equals to 61. So now what can I do here? X square, it will be 2x square plus 2 into x, 2x, plus 1 square is here 1. This I'll bring in this side. So minus 61 equals to 0. The standard form for this quadratic equation is that everything you will bring in left hand side and right hand side has to be 0. Okay. So now it will be 2x square plus 2x, plus minus is minus. So 60 minus 1 is here. 61 minus it's here 60 equals to 0. Now you can see here 2, 2, 2. So everywhere 2, 2 is there. So can I take common? So I can take common. So 2, when I'll take common, it will be x square plus x, 2 30s are. You can think that you are dividing. So 2 get cancel x. Okay, 2 cancels. So 2 30s are. Okay. So what I'll get now? X square plus x minus 30 equals to, you can think that this 2 multiplies there, it has been down, so it equals to 0. Okay. So this is your equation. So I got the quadratic equation. Now what you have to do in this process is that if it will be breaking the middle term, you will do breaking the middle term. If it will not be, then you will use the Sridhar-Acharya formula. So let's check whether it will be breaking the middle term or not. So you can see the rule is, what is there? Breaking the middle term. Okay, I'll show you with this. X square plus, so breaking the middle term, this 1 is there, so this will be like this bracket. This minus will be always coming in middle. X minus 30 equals to 0. So that's why it is called as breaking the middle term. You can see there we break this middle term into 2, and remember that this whenever is minus, the middle one also it will be minus. Okay, the first step is that this 30 you will multiply to the coefficient of x square. So what do we have here? 1. So 30 ones are 30. So you will do the LCM of 30 at the side. So it will be 3, 2 here, 2, 15 are 3, 5 are 5, 1 are. Now you have to manage that after subtracting it should come 1, and after multiplying it should come how much? 60. It should be a type of magic. Okay, so can you see here 3 2 are 6, 6 minus 1, 6 minus 5, sorry, 6 minus 5, I'll get 1. So you can write like this also. You can do like this cross 30. Suppose this is your 6, this is your 5. See, 6 5s are 30. So I am getting this 6 minus 5 1, because I have to get both 1 also 30 also. Now you can open the bracket. Now what can I do? X square plus 6 into x, 6x minus 5 into x, 5x minus 30 equals to 0. Now what I have to do? Common. So what will common in this two? X, since there are two x, so x plus 6. Now see, here is minus, so always minus 5, because 5 6 are 30 here. So this is x minus, already I have taken, that means this minus will be plus. Since why? Minus plus is minus. So 5 6 are 30 equals to 0. And always remember that this 2 has to come same. This 2 has to come. This 2 always has to come same. If you will not get same, that means somewhere you have done wrong. Now next step is there. X plus 6. You will write this to single. Actually you are taking common, x plus 6. And what left over? This here, x minus 5 equals to 0. So I got the final answer. We are in a last step. Now what you will do? Either or. Okay. So now we have either x plus 6 equals to 0 or x minus 5 equals to 0. So from here what I'll get? X equals to plus 6, when it goes that side it will be minus 6. So I got this minus 6. X equals to this, when it goes that side it will be 5. So this I can take because it has come negative. Why? Because we are taking natural number. So this we cannot take. Okay. So which is impossible. Which is impossible. Since it's a natural number. So therefore I got x. So therefore x equals to 5 and x plus 1 equals to 5 plus 1 equals to 6. So therefore I got the number. Therefore the two consecutive natural numbers are 5 and 6. Always write the conclusion. Okay, so this carries your 4 marks because you have to form the equation, then you have to solve this. Okay, if it will not be breaking the middle term, then you have to use the Sridharacharya formula. So now let's solve another question. So here we have, you can see that if the product of two consecutive even integers, so now it's consecutive even, so even integers we have. Okay, so already I have discussed in linear inequation class that what is integers, natural number. If you haven't gone through that, you can go through that. The link is given in the description. Okay, is 224, find the integers. Now we have the integers. So now solution will take, let the two consecutive even integers be, so even integers, suppose 2 is there, so 2, after 2 integers even, what I'll get? 4. That means you are adding 2. So after 4 what you will get? 6. That means similarly what will be? X and x plus 2. Okay, suppose this is 2, this means 4. That means by 2 increases and I'll get the even number. Okay, so now what they are given is that you can see product means it's your multiply, so it will be according to question. So product means it will be x plus 2 equals to how much they are given? 224. So they are given us product as 224. Now what can I do in the next step? Now you will multiply x into x, it will be x square plus x into 2, 2x. Already I have told you that you will bring in the front. So it minus 224 equals to, what will be? It will be 0. So this is my standard form. Now we have to try with whether it will go breaking the middle term or not. If it will go, then we'll use the breaking the middle term. If it will not go, then we'll do with the Siddharacharya formula. Let's do it in rough work. So first what you have to do, you will have to multiply this 224 to 1. Okay, so let's do breaking the middle term. So what will this? X square plus 2 will be breaking like this. X minus 2 to 4 equals to 0. So already I have told you, if it is minus, in middle also it will be minus. Now let's do the LCM. So 2 to 4, LCM will be 2 1 ja, 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja, 2 5 ja 10, 2 6 ja 12, 2 2 ja 4, 2 2 4, 2 2 ja 4, 2 8 ja 16, 2 1 ja 2, 2 4 ja 2, 7 ja 7, 1 ja. So if I'll take like this, 2 7 ja 14, 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16. 16 minus 14, will I get 2? Yes, and 16 14 ja 224. So you can do like this. What you got? This side is your 224. So 16 and 14. 16 into 14 is 224. 16 minus 14 is your 2. So I am getting in the both the way. Okay. So now we'll put the value. So what will always write the bigger number in front. So 16 minus 14. So this will be your x square plus 16 into x. 16x minus 14x minus 224 equals to 0. Or now what can I do? As you know, we have to take the common. So common is x plus 16. What will be here common? Minus 14. And this is your x plus 16. Always these two has to come same. So next step what will do? This and this are same. So I'll write common. So x plus 16 and this in another bracket. So x minus 14 equals to 0. So now what I have to do? Either and or. So either x plus 16 equals to 0. That implies x equals to minus 16. So I got minus 16. Since it integer, so I can take this. Or what is that? What do you have? X minus 14 equals to 0. So I got x equals to, I got plus 14. Okay. So now what do you want? So integers. So I'll get two answer. So when x equals to minus 16, what I'll get? X plus 2 is equal to minus 16 plus 2. That means it's here minus 14. Okay. And when have they told positive? No. So I can take negative also here. When x equals to 14, that means x plus 2 is equal to 14 plus 2 equals to 16. So therefore I got the two answer. So therefore the two consecutive even integers are, what would we got? Minus 16 and minus 14. Okay, this is our first answer. Number second answer, what I got? 14 and 16. So I got both the answer. So we will write like this. Okay. So let's solve another question. So hope so you got an idea. Even means it will be plus 2. Okay. This is one of the very important question, and it's year 2015. Okay, this is your past year 2015. So what they are given in this question is that, so we have sum of two natural numbers. So we have two natural number. When you'll add that two natural number, we are getting how much? 8. And the difference of their reciprocal. So reciprocal already I have told you. Suppose if it is a by b number is there, reciprocal will be b by a, just opposite. Okay, is 2 by 15. Find the number. So I'll show you in a simple way. Solution you will take. So what we don't have? Two natural number. So let the two natural numbers be x and y. So I am taking two natural number x and y. Okay. So what they give us? Sum of their natural numbers. So x plus y is equal to 8 according to question. Yes or no? X plus y is equal to 8. Since it's quadratic equation, so always we have to form in x, either in x or either in y. So maximum time we do in x. So I don't need this y. So this y, what will be the y equals to? 8 minus x. So this x I am taking that side. Okay. So this is my 1 and this is my 2. Okay. So now what they're given again? They are given is that the difference. So everyone, you know that difference is here minus, sum is here plus. Difference of their reciprocal. So difference of their reciprocal means what will be? X reciprocal will be 1 by x minus. Okay, now another number is y. So 1 by y equals to reciprocal, okay, opposite. So it's x. So x reciprocal, down nothing is here 1. So reciprocal will be 1 by x. Okay. So what they are given difference is here 2 by 15. 2 by 15. Since it's quadratic equation, it should not come in x and y. So this y has to be changed by 8 minus x. So what will be this? 1 by x minus 1 by 8 minus x equals to 2 by 15. Now what we'll do? Now we'll do the LCM of these two. So what will be the LCM of these two? The same thing only, x 8 minus x. Now this will go this side, this will go this side, cross multiply, you can think of that. So it will go 8 minus x this side and minus x this side equals to 2 by 15. Now what can I do? 8 minus minus is plus, so it will be minus 2x and this 15 I am taking this side. Okay, so this 15 cross multiply, 15 this side equals to 2. Now what can I do? This I am multiplying, x into 8, 8x plus minus is minus, x into x, x square. Now 15 8s are, how much it will be? 15 8s are, so 120, 15 8s are minus 15 2s are 30, x equals to 2 8s are 16x minus 2 into x square, 2x square. So already I have told you that standard form is that quadratic equation. In the left hand side, right hand side, you will try to make 0. So all you will bring this side. So when I will bring this minus 2x square here, minus, it will change to plus. So 2x square. Here we have minus 30x. This if I will bring here, it will be minus 16x. This already plus 120 equals to 0. Or this will be 2x square, minus minus is plus. Since 30 is bigger, so it will minus. This will be a 46x plus 120 equals to 0. Now we will take common. What will be common? 2 is there. So when I will take common 2x square, think that you are dividing. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 60 equals to 0. So therefore I got x square minus 23x plus 60 equals to 0. So this, let it be, this is your quadratic form. This 2 will go down. So 0 by 2 is 0 only. Okay. So I got the quadratic equation. You know that why it's called as quadratic, because we have 2. Now we have to solve this by breaking the middle term. If it will go by breaking the middle term, then it's okay. If it will not go, then we have to use the Sridharacharya formula, and this carries 4 marks. Now as you know, we have to do the breaking the middle term. So what is the x square? So let's break it. Minus 23 I am breaking, it will be in bracket 23. So x plus 60 equals to 0. So already I have told you what you have sign plus, that means in middle also will be plus. Now what you have to do? So you know, you have been perfect with this. Yeah. So this 60 will go multiply to the 1. 60 ones are 60. So I got 60. Now you will do the LCM of 60. 2, 30, 2, 15, 3, 5, 5, 1s are. So adding it should get 23 and multiplying it should get how much? 60. So can you try this? How much is 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5 I will not get. Yeah. 5 2s are 10 and 3 2s are 6 also I will not get. And so how to get this? 5 2s are 10, 20, 20 plus 3. Yeah. This, so I am getting 20 plus 3 I am getting. That means 5 2s are 10, 20 plus 3, 20 plus 3. So 23s are 60 and 20 plus 3 I am getting. So it's your 60, 20 and 3. 20 plus 3 is 23. So I am getting this also. So what I got, always I told you that bigger number 20 plus 3. So 20 plus 3 is 23, 20 into 3 is 60. So I got finally here. So therefore x square minus 20 into x, 20x, minus plus is minus 3x plus 60 equals to 0. Now what I have to take? Common. So what will be common in this? X, obviously. X minus 20. In this what will be common? Minus 3. So it will be x, see, plus, so it will be minus. Minus is plus, so it will be 20 equals to 0. So already I have told you this 2 has to be same. So what I'll get? X minus 20 and this another bracket x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now what I have to do? Either x minus 20 equals to 0 or x minus 3 is equal to 0. So therefore I got x equals to 20 and x equals to what I got? 3. So now it's a natural number. So if you'll see here, when x equals to 20, so when x equals to 20, y, you can see what is y? Y is 8 minus 20. So 8 minus 20 is here minus 12. So this I can't take because it's a natural number. So y I am getting negative. So which is impossible. Which is impossible, or you can see and unadmissible. We can take that. So when x equals to 3, y is equal to what you have? 8 minus x. So 8 minus 3 is equal to how much? 5. So this is also natural number, this is also natural number. Here x was natural number but y was not natural number, so I can't take. So therefore the numbers are what I get? 3 and 5. So this is my final answer, and you will get how much marks? You will get 4 marks for this. And you can do cross check also. You can see in the left hand side what you have. So this no need to do in exam. Cross check. Okay, so what you have in the left hand side? X plus y. So x is almost 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5 8. Can you see I have 8? So our answer is right. Okay, so now let's please like, share and subscribe to our channel. So in my next class we will solve some more past year's question.